grow old with you.
Good. Not yet. Good morning. Say good morning muna. Good morning po. With Papia. With Papia in the house. Good morning. So Papi is here. Good morning guys. Kauwi lang namin from a walk with Papia. Pumunta rin kami ng McDonald's para makapag-ice cream yung mga kids. Ayan. So, we just got home from a walk with Papia. Napaglinis na ako ng bahay. Nagluluto ako ngayon ng aming lunch. Lunch namin ng mga bata at saka lunch ni Papia. So, pakita ko sa inyo yung ating niluluto. Sa amin ng mga bata is tinola. And para kay Papi, carrots, sayote, tsaka giniling. Tapos naglagay ako ng konting rice. So, para lang tayong naglulugaw ng may gulay at meat. So, yan yung food ni Papia today. Ayan. Kumain na siya kanina ng breakfast. So, ito, maya-maya ko pa sa kanya papakain. Kasi twice ko lang siya pinakakain. Ayan. Parang medyo marami nga to, kaya hindi ko alam kung hahatiin ko ba siya sa dalawa. And sa amin ng mga kids is tinola. Don't forget, ha? Maybe she doesn't need to pee. Where are we going?
We're going to see goats.
Going to see doctor. So, mag-ouchie.
I said naughty. Yeah.
Yeah. You have to help me hold Papi.
What?
You have to help me hold him.
How do I hold him?
Hold him, hold his legs.
Like this? Okay.
Morning! Food and water for Papi. Gawin lang namin galing sa pabuhok. Come on. Kaya manis ka natin. Water, stinky? That's stinky. Ito lang. So, we have this lead na pwede mo siyang isuot sa waist mo. Pwede rin siyang ganito. Ayan. And it can go longer. Kaya lang pag may kasama akong bagets, kailangan short para mas madaling i-control ang angles. Ayaw naman natin na madapa-dapa ang mga bata. So, anyway, I got this from Luxury Pets by Ivy. I think ano siya? I think parang sister company siya ng Ivy Clinic. We walk Papi na. Nag-school na si Lily. I think we just need to... Aiden! What do you want for breakfast? What do you want for breakfast, babe?
Cereal!
You want cereal?
Yeah.
What else?
Yeah.
Just cereal? Do you want Fruit Loops?
No.
No. What do you want then?
Cereal.
Which cereal? What do you want?
Cocoa Crunch.
Cocoa Crunch?
Cocoa
Let's see. May Cocoa Crunch pa ba tayo? You want cereal for today? You want cereal for today? Yeah? Kiss me. Love you. Shower, ha?
No.
Ay?
No. 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 No.
because get some milk. Go get some milk. You wanna pour it? I'm gonna pour it.
I don't pour it.
Okay, go and pour it then. Go pour it. Good job. Come on. Cereal for my baby.
No.
Cereal. Good morning, guys. I think this is gonna be my first vlog. Not 2025. Yeah?
We have animal feed.
Oh no. Mommy, make the bed first, okay? Mommy, give you the animals there. Sit down and eat your cereal.
Everyone is watching, but I still feel so alone, alone, alone. And I've been waiting on a miracle, but by the time it comes, I'll probably be stoned or on my phone. Oh no, now I'm sure that you have got the perfect positive quote to say, but I don't want your optimism today. I just wanna complain. It takes a whole damn hour to afford 2 gallons, and I'm not doing enough. Another day, another challenge. I woke up one day and the world was cold. Feel like I'm way too young to feel this old. I got a hole in my heart that keeps getting bigger, so I'll try to fill it up by rooting in my liver. I'm a poster child, millennial. Feel like I'm way too young to feel this old. Oh, 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 yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 yeah. Everyone's invited to this pity party in my head, my head, my head. And I'll cry if I want to, and I want to, but nobody's listening. So I'll just hide away instead.
Good afternoon, guys. So, meron pa tayong 1 oras bago yung uwian ni Lily. Kasamantalahin ko para tayo ay makapag-prepare ng food. So, for lunch nila, teka dito nga tayo para makapag-lipstick ako. Tindi-tindi yung linisan natin today. Naglinis ako ng bathroom, naglinis ako ng sala, ng kwarto, naglagay ako ng bagong load ng laundry.
We need to eat. Mommy, we need cereal.
You ate already. Mommy's making pasta, okay?
No pasta. We
Ayan.
need breakfast.
Pagpasensya niyo naman, init ang ulo ni Aiden kapag nag-breakfast ka na, you're done na. Oh, this one. Di ba you ate cereal? Oh, finish na. Ha? What? Ha? You got bowl. What do you need? Spoon? Ay, kuha talaga siya sa disposable. Okay.
No, where's my nail? Milk.
And then?
Cereal.
How about I make you rice and egg?
Hey! No!
Rice and egg na lang.
No!
Kagaling pa siya. How about Aiden help mommy cook? Egg cook?
No!
Sige na.
Wait!
Go get an egg. Dali, mommy help you.
Mom!
Mommy's make dinner for you. Sige na. How about peanut butter sandwich?
Yes?
Okay, put this back. Masyado ng madaming sugar. Asain na ako bago ako nakapag-isip ng ideas ba kung ano yung pwede kong lutuin for today. And naluto na siya bago ko na ilabas yung para sa pasta. So siguro yung pasta for dinner na lang. And para sa tanghalian natin, ano na lang, itlog. Itlog, di pa ako nakapamili, mamami, ng di pa ako nakapag-grocery. Kasi gusto ko sana, maubos muna yun. Ito, may dilata pa kami. Meron pa akong mga tuna doon. Gusto ko maubos sana muna yung laman ng ref para malinis ko. Instead na salampak ako ng salampak ng bago.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Ayun pala, update ko kayo, no? So, si Papi have been staying with us for 2 weeks na. So, since 28 ng December, bago mag-birthday si Aiden, andito na siya. We got her all sorted out kasi pagbalik niya dito, medyo may mga nakita kaming ticks. So, dinala naman siya sa vet, pina-check up, binigyan siya ng gamot. Tapos, hanggang ngayon, yung skin niya, hindi pa rin ganun kaganda, kagaya ng dati. But, we are, parang inaasikaso namin yun. Yung ears niya medyo irritated pa. Yung teeth niya, medyo okay na. We got her new lead, new collar, yung bed ni Vincent nung last time na nito si Vincent, yun yung ginagamit niya. So, sakto din kasi January yung birthday ni Poppy. So, pinavaksinan ko na siya nung kanyang rabies shots at saka 5-in-1. So, you know, everything set up na nalalakad namin siya, tuwan-tuwa yung mga kids and all that. Pero, nagkaroon ng incident 3 days ago, exactly 3 days ago, nakagat ni Poppy sa labi si Aiden. So, I thought at first, it's para siyang, or baka feeling ko naman, parang medyo accident yung pangyayari. So, yung first incident na yon, para siyang accident somehow na nangyari. Kasi si Aiden, pag nilambing niya si Poppy, ginaganyan ang noo niya, si Poppy. Kumbaga, si noo ni Poppy to, tapos noo ni Aiden. Nagaganon sila, forehead to forehead, ganyan. Tapos, medyo din ni Aiden na ganun. Ganon din kasi si Aiden pag naglalamig sa akin. Hindi ko alam kung napapansin nyo. Ano yan siya, pinipressure niya sa cheeks naman. So, with Poppy, sa forehead. Tapos, si Poppy have always been gentle naman kay Aiden at saka kay Lily. And in-explain ko rin sa kids, yung dogs, wala silang hands. So, kapag gusto nila na alisin mo yung kamay mo dyan or something, gagamitin nila yung bibig nila, pero hindi naman yung pasakmal. So, si Poppy, yung front teeth niya yung ginagamit niya, tapos kinakagat niya ng ganyan, tapos ihilahin ganyan. Ganun siya talaga. So, but this time, hindi ko kasi as in nakita. Pero ang tingin ko, kasi wala kami narinig na growl. Like, kasi ginawa na ni Poppy before na front teeth ginamit niya sa ilong ni Aiden. So, feeling ko, nung umpisa, is front teeth niya, ginawa niya kay Aiden. Tapos, siguro, pagkatingala pagkatingala ni Aiden, sumakto sa labi niya. So, nagka-cut. Kasi, tsaka makikita mo rin sa cut ni Aiden sa labi, pa straight. So, hindi siya yung sa pangil, hindi siya ngasab, you know. So, as a pet parent, alam ko na Poppy did not intend to do that. Kasi love na love niya yan si Vinci. Love na love nila si Aiden. And siguro, natatakot siya kay Aiden kasi nga si Aiden medyo, medyo rough siya pagdating sa paglalambing eh. So, we try as much as we can na i-remind si Aiden to be gentle, to not do this, to not do that. Pero hindi ko siya mababantayan fully ng 24/7 unless kapag ganito, yung kami lang, tapos wala na akong ginagawa, tapos magkakasama kami tatlo. So, anyway, with that being said, parang feeling ko, hindi intensyon ni Poppy na makagat si Aiden sa labi. Pero, and updated naman yung vaccine ni Poppy. Pero just to be sure, we took Aiden to ABC kung saan nagpa-bakuna si Lily ng anti-rabies. And nagpa-shots na din siya. So, second shots ni Aiden today. Naantay lang namin yung uwian ni Lily and then didiretso na kami doon. So, ever since na nangyari yon, medyo nilimit lang namin yung paglabas ni Poppy, na magkakasama yung mga bata. We wanna make sure na may nakatingin na kung ano mangyayari. Kasi, so yun yung nangyari 3 days ago. The day after that, naglalakad kami, tapos si Aiden nagwa-wine kasi nga, gusto niya pag tumawid, dahan-dahan. Kailangan ko pag tumawid, mabilis. Kasi si Poppy, baka sa gitna mismo ng kalsada, mag number 2, suscoop ako ng ganon, tapos andun yung mga bata, nasa gitna kami ng kalsada, yung sa tawiran mismo. Si Poppy may time kasi ganon, sa gitna talaga siya. Hindi ko na pa pwedeng iwanan yan doon. I had to clean after her. Pero syempre, kasama ko yung mga bata. So, pagtatawid kami, kailangan mabilisan. So, hawakan ko si Lily Tuwang ko si Aiden, hawakan ni Aiden si Lily. Tapos nasa kanan ko si Poppy. Tapos tatakbo kami. At that time, si Aiden, sobrang gusto niya lang slowly lang. Bumitaw siya, tapos may iyak. So, pwede ka na, halika na, ganun. Tapos, maya, medyo matagal, parang siguro, siguro mga 30 seconds bago si Aiden, kami nakatawid kasi si Aiden na nagwawain. Gusto niya, slowly, only slowly. Parang feeling ko, si Poppy, na inis. Na tagal-tagal mo. Parang, alam mo yung, we always called her mother hen ever since. Kasi parang feeling niya, siya yung nanay ni Aiden. Kahit na nung baby pa si Aiden, binabantayan niya yan, love na love niya yan. This time, inano niya, yung ginamit niya ulit yung front teeth niya para hilahin yung tenga ni... Okay. Para hilahin yung tenga ni Aiden. Pero wala namang cut, hindi naman madiin, walang mark, walang kahit ano. Ginanon niya lang talaga, na parang, ay ka dito, kulit mo, parang ganon. So, that's the second day. Tapos ako kay Phil, parang, parang hindi ako sanay na ginagawa ni Poppy yun. Hindi talaga siya ganyan eh. It's not usual. So, sabi ko, since hindi naman sila nakapagsalita, we can only assume. Sabi ni Philip, okay, how about you put the camera down sa sahig and then just let them do whatever they want to do. So, Poppy was here. Ito si Aiden, tapos si Lily, tapos ako, nanonood kami ng movie. Wala pang 5 minutes talaga, nilapitan niya si Aiden, tapos, gano'n niya yung bibig niya sa kamay, parang, parang ganon. Parang to get his attention. So, ang ginawa ni si Aiden, napansin niya na, parang pinansin ako ni Poppy. Sabi niya, let's go, let's play. Gusto niya makipaghabulan. Ang ginawa ni Poppy, umamba. Hindi naman kagat. Hindi siya nakagat si Aiden or anything. Pero umamba siya, na alam mo yun, nag-lunge siyang gano'n. Tapos parang, sabi ni Daddy, okay, put her in the crate, sabi niya. Kailangan alam niya na what she did was wrong. And we have to, parang alamin kung bakit niya ginagawa yun. And by observing, we feel na parang nagdalawa lang eh. Either takot siya kay Aiden, kaya ayaw niya na lalapit sa kanya si Aiden. Or, based on nangyari naman na yun, parang feeling ko naiinis siya kay Aiden. Kasi si AA, mapalingo kang ganyan. Okay. Ganito yan, mangyayakap yan. I wanna snuggle with you. Yakap siya kay Papia. Bigla niya pa bubuksan yung pag magpapahinga si Papi kasi ganitong oras nap niya eh. Papasok si Papi sa crate niya. Bubuksan ni Aiden yung pinto. Hindi lalabas yan. Bukas yung pinto ni Papi pa lahat. So, bukas yung pinto ni Papi. So, bubuksan niya yung pinto ni Papi. Tapos pipilitin niya, Papi, come out. Naiinis si Papi kasi parang sa kanya, bahay ko to, huwag kang papasok. Tapos minsan pumapasok pa sa Aiden dyan. And we didn't think anything of it. Kasi parang hindi naman bothered si Papi in the beginning. But now, parang napapansin namin na medyo ayaw niya. So, ayun yung update. Yun yung ganap naming drama dito sa bahay ngayon. So, nagtitry kami na i-train si Poppy in a way na mag-trust siya ulit kay Aiden. Like, si Aiden yung magbibigay ng treat, ganito, ganyan, sit, ganyan. Para magtitiwala siya ulit kay Aiden. Pero, of course, we have to be there. But I know that that's not enough. Pero kasi, baka mamaya, yung sunod na pag-amba niya, sa laki niya, compare sa laki ni Aiden, baka tumumba sa Aiden, tapos kung saan tumama yung ulo, wag naman sana. Kasi nangyari yun sa kapatid ko before na tumama yung ulo niya sa kanto ng bintana. So, ayaw natin na mangyayari yun. So, we have to take precautions. Pero syempre, pero ayoko din naman na nasa crate lang siya. So, ayun, yan yung aming pinag-uusapan for the past 3 days na ng asawa ko kung anong gagawin namin. Kasi we want her to stay with us. Kasi si Vincent, namimiss si Dodong, nalulungkot naman siya kapag siya yung kasama namin. In the meantime, si Vincent, hindi naman din pa pwede si Vincent kasi for some reason, mas mahal ni Vincent si Dodong na talagang nalulungkot siya kapag wala si Tito. Kaya mas nandoon siya, mas pinipili niya si Tito kaya compare sa amin. Makulit kasi to. Siyempre, hindi ko naman alam kung yung pasensya ni Papi kung hanggang saan din man siya nakakapagsalita na. Hanggang dito na lang, wala, diba? So, I don't know. Hey, not all of it. No. How about... No, not this one. How about that one? Yeah? Okay.
Why is the sun? The sun's like blue.
It's not blue.
I
It's yellow.
saw.
No, you have to write on it. Connect the line like this. Connect the line. Make a circle. Circle. There. No, the line here. The line. Oh, let me do it with you. Hold your pen properly. Go like this. Connect the line. Now this one. Connect the line. Oh, next. This one.
Join the. Wait, way black.
Connect.
Wait, the window black.
You need the black.
Yeah.
Connect.
Black.
Hmm? How about brown? How about brown?
How about black? Do you think
Connect the line first.
brown sun?
Ay!
Mommy, brown sun.
Oh, dali. We connect the line together. Together. We connect the line first. Connect the line.
Help me.
One more. Hey, this one. This one. Yeah, this one. Not color. Connect.
The line.
Connect the... one more. Mommy, get the shake.
Down, sun.
Connect the line na. This one.
Join us.
This
Good
one.
job. You made.
This one. Make a circle. One more. Make a circle. One more. Make a circle. Make a half circle. Oh. Make a half circle. Oh. Make a half circle. Oh. Make a half circle. Ah! Make a half circle. Ah! Now make a C. Hey, make a C. Make a
See.
C.
Make a.
C.
Make a.
No, we have to make a C. Make a
See.
C. Ah! There. Make a C. Yay! You want ABC? Let me get your ABC. Are you ready? Write A like this. A. A then to B.
How?
Properly, anak. Anak, like this. Look at your hand. Like that. Very good. Go down and then. Oh, now Aiden do the C.
Wow.
On F. What's next?
Cheese.
Go ahead, make your G. Ito lang tayo mag-abang. J. L. M. Properly. Oh, very good. Next. C. Let's see. Mommy, check. Wow. So
Smart.
smart. what you are. Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Read, Aiden, read it.
Found a bucket.
Follow
Follow the rocket line
path,
path through the piece
the
the alphabet.
very
Again.
good. Very good. Oh, this one. Wow.
Our pizza is ready.
I didn't make pizza. You want me to make pizza?
Yes.
I didn't make pizza. It was frozen. Sorry.
We not made it.
Mommy made sausage.
Yes.
You want to eat sausage?
Yes.
Kulit. Why are you makulit?
I wanna hug you.
It's okay. Hindi ko na-vlog. Papakita ko sana sa inyo. Another problem. Kapag may narinig si...
Wait, peanut butter sandwich.
Pag may narinig si Poppy sa labas, tatahol. Si Aiden umiiyak kasi ayaw niya nang tumatahol. Ngayon siya. Tapos, pag umiyak si Aiden, nagagalit na naman si Poppy. What do we do? Come on. Hello! Good evening! Tutulog na tayo. First night ito na sana matulog na maaga ang mga bagets. Ano niya? Ito! Papasuot ko kay Aiden yung regalo ni Tito sa kanya. Nung Pasko. Paw Patrol. Ang lambot naman ito. Pwede daw to siyang actually, pwede daw to siyang pang-alis, pero parang gusto ko siyang pang tulog kasi malambot. Super. Isuot natin kay A. Come on! Ngayon na maliit sa kanya. Maliit sana. Ano naman, hindi naman siya super liit. Pero sa braso, ay sa ito, sa shoulders, nakadaan naman. Pwede pa naman. Kaya maliit nga. Maliit. Big man to eh. You have to say thank you to Dong Dong. I Dong Dong can't hear. You have to be loud.
Thank you, Dong Dong.
Good job. Bedtime na.
It's time for bed. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like this video. Subscribe already. And see you on next one. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Good night, Rose.
Good night, everyone. Bye.
May lips to lips my viewers. I like
Go.
You're my better half, a part of me through and through. And I only wish for one thing: to grow old with you.